Hello everyone, my name is Pawan. Welcome back to the Backend Development series. So in last video, we have learned how to download and install JDK, how to download SDS and run your first Java program. In this video, we are going to understand how any Java program runs in a computer system or how normally program runs in a computer. Then we will going to understand what is the JVM, then JDK and all the building blocks of any Java program. So let's start with this video. So first thing we will start with how any program runs in a computer. Okay. So first we will writing a source code. So whatever code we are written will be a source code. So obviously this code is written in the English language and computer does not understand this. So you have to convert this to the language by which the computer will understand this code. We are using the compiler first. Now what is the compiler? Compiler is a program which converting your source code to the machine level language code. So this will convert it to code, right? Now, what is the major problem here? Problem is if we have compiled this code on the Windows system, then obviously this machine code will not be able to understandable by any other OS like Linux we are having, like Mac we are having. Then we came to the next thing that is the interpreter. Now, what is the difference between the interpreter and the compiler? Basically, compiler what it does, it will completely convert source code to the machine code. Instead of that, what interpreter does, it will not convert all the source code to the machine code. Instead of that, reads the code line by line. This makes the interpreter more useful than the. So in this way, interpreter will compile and execute your code line by line whenever necessary. How Java programs runs and how it is using the compiler interpreter. So Java will use the combination of your compiler and interpreter both. Let's look at the slide. So this is your Java program. You have fed this program to the compiler. It will convert this Java program to the Java bytecode. And this Java bytecode will be same for all of your operating system. Makes the Java as a platform independent language. Right here, run anywhere. Now how it will work, because we will have the interpreter for the different operating systems. Okay, I hope you guys understood this. Now let's understand what is the JDK, Java development. So here is your JDK. JDK is nothing but the combination of your JRE and dev tools. Dev tools will consist your debugger, compiler and every other thing. Okay, whatever the development tools you require. And the JRE is combination of your JVM, that is Java virtual machine, or we can say the hypothetical machine, along with the library classes. Now, what the JVM consists? It will have class loaders and the instructions for your bytecode. This is the JDK we require to run any Java program. Now, let's come to the program and see what are the different building blocks of this program. The first line you can see the package test package, right? Package is nothing but the collection of the classes. If you click here on the package, you can see different. All these class belongs to this package. If you're coming to the next line, see the public class first Java program. So this is nothing but the name of your class. Okay, we have written here public. What is this public? Is access modifier. Why it is only public? Why not private and other access modifier? You write here private, you will see the error. Remove invalid modifiers. So we are using here public because the interpreter is going to interpret this code, right? And it is an external source to this class. So if it is a private, then interpreter will not be able to access this code, right? So we have to provide this public. This is a mandatory one. And the next is public static void main. This is your routine of the program from where your program will start. We're having the string arguments here. We can provide the command line argument to this main method. Static we are using because if you are making this method static, then we need not create the instance of this first Java program class to access this method. We can directly access it. That's why we are using static. And void because it is not returning anything. Now check the subroutine of this program. Line number 4, system.out.println. This will provide you the output as whatever the string or whatever the input we are providing here, it will print that input, right? So in this way, we can run this program. You can check the output. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you are able to understand the basics of the Java program, how this program runs, and whatever the development kit we are using, what are the different components we are having in the Java development kit. So let's meet in the next video. Till the time, bye bye.